Hey everybody, today's episode we're going to be taking a look at changing the scanner maintenance kit on a Xerox VersaLink C605 printer. The scanner maintenance kit is only available on the multifunction versions of this printer and is located inside the top cover here. There's two parts to the scanner maintenance kit. There's the pickup roll assembly, which is located inside the cover, and then there's the separator roll assembly, which is located down inside the ADF. Now to take out the pickup roll assembly, there's two little latches that you'll stick your fingers in, release those latches, and twist them outward like so. Grab those two latches and pull straight out on the assembly and remove it from the cover. That's your pickup roll assembly. To go back in with the pickup roll assembly, you'll notice that there's these little troughs next to the black handles on each side, right there. You'll take those troughs and you'll settle them into the white fins on the top of the cover. Now, once you get those settled into those fins, you'll take your other fingers and push up on the roller assembly like that. You'll twist those handles back to their original positions and lock them in place. Push up on that separator assembly and then you're done with that part. Now to change the separator roll, you'll get your finger on the back side of this black cover and push in. You'll lift it up and swing it out of the way, set it aside, and then right inside here, take your finger and place it toward the back of the separator roll assembly and lift up and out, just like that. To go back in, on each side, there are little teeth. One side has one tooth and one side has two teeth. If you look inside the ADF where it goes, there's one slot on one side and there's two slots on the other side. So you'll take that separator and you'll set it inside those slots where it goes. Give it a little push so it's nice and seated, and then you'll take that black cover with the cork on it. There's two little tangs, and you'll set those in their holes and rotate that cover down and push down where the latch area is. Give it a little snap, and then close your top cover, and you're done. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.